little scientists! Welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. We all have encountered heat around us in some or another way, be it through the heating of the pans used for cooking or heating our clothes while ironing. Heat always travels from one place to another, and to demonstrate this, we are going to perform an activity in this video. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the Heat and Conduction Activity Kit. From the kit, take out the conduction stand parts, red foam pieces, steel ruler, paper clips, candle and O-rings. From your home, you will need a matchbox. Since we are performing this activity using fire and flammable objects, always keep some water handy to prevent your surroundings from catching fire. Also, perform it under adult supervision. First of all, let's get acquainted with the conduction stand part. The rectangular pillars L and R and the stand supports S1 and S2. Let's observe the stand support S1. It has these extended bits on both sides. Now, let's observe the rectangular pillar L. It has these two vertical slits. Insert the extended bit of S1 into one of the vertical slits of L, like this. Similarly, fix the extended bit of S2 into the other slit of L. Mount O-rings on the extended bits of S1 and S2 and fix them together like this. Fix the other extended bits of S1 and S2 into the vertical slits of the rectangular pillar R. Again, secure the inserted parts with the help of O-rings. Now, insert the steel ruler into the slits in the foam pieces, like this. This will help us to hold the ruler when it is hot and save our hands from getting burnt. Let's light up the candle now with the help of a matchstick. Tilt this candle and drop some hot wax on the ruler at the 3-inch mark. Now, stick a paper clip onto this drop of wax vertically while the wax is still in the liquid state. Similarly, stick another 2 paper clips on the markings for 4 and 5 inches. You can take your parents' help for doing this. Be careful with the flame and remember to switch off the fan. Blow off the candle now. Let's place this ruler into the top slits of the rectangular pillars now, like this. The side of the ruler with the inch markings should face downwards. Now, place the candle below the ruler under the 2-inch marking and then light it with the help of a matchstick. You can take your parents' help for doing this. Let's observe what happens to the paper clips now. The paper clip nearest to the candle will fall first. Repeat the activity, but this time fix the paper clips at 1, 2, 4 and 5 inches and place the candle under the 3-inch marking. Observe what happens when we light up the candle. In the first case, as heat travels from the source, that is the candle, to the ends of the ruler, it melts the wax drops on its way. Thus, the paper clips present near the candle fall first and the ones present far away fall later. Heat travels from the hotter parts of a body to the colder parts of the body. The transfer of heat depends on the distance between the hot and cold regions of the body. More the distance, the slower the heat transfer. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.